The first step towards solving a problem is knowing that it exists. Hello everyone, I am Bhargavi from BBA 4th semester and I'm here to present on the topic Real Realities Mapping Social Stratification in India through Cinema as the part of my assignment from the subject Social and Marketing Research Method. We will talk about movies like Fandry, Mulk, Sairat and Bheer and how they reflect real life struggles and also connects with the constitution. Fandry. Fandry is a story of a Dalit boy Jabya who falls in love with an upper caste girl. At the same time, his family faces low and humiliating labor because of his religion and caste. Fandry reflects how discrimination destroys dignity and dreams. Fandry reflects the violation of Article 15, no discrimination, and Article 17, abolition of untouchability. Mulk. Mulk is a story of a Muslim family who faces an accusation when one member of the family is involved in terrorism. They are judged not on the basis of facts but of their religion. The courtroom battle shows how society profiles and prejudges the Muslims. Mulk reflects the abolition of Article 14, equality before law, and Article 25, freedom of religion. Sairat. Sairat is a love story of Archie, an upper caste girl, and Persia, a lower caste boy. Their love challenges caste rules and the society reacts with honor killing. It shows how caste and gender combines together to oppress women in the name of family honor. Sairat has a constitutional echoes of Article 15, non-discrimination, and Article 21, right to life. Bheer. Bheer was set up during COVID-19 lockdown. It shows the struggle of migrant workers walking back to their villages. Bheer tells us about class and caste discrimination where the poor suffers the most. Bheer reflects the violation of Article 21, right to life, and descriptive principles, Article 38 and 39. Comparative analysis. Fandry. Fandry talks about caste discrimination against Dalits, whereas Mulk talks about prejudice against Muslims. Sairat shows gender plus caste issues and honor killing, whereas Bheer shows the struggle of migrant workers during COVID-19. All these movies shows the different sides of social stratification in India. Constitutional connections. Article 15 and 17 was violated in Fandry and Sairat, whereas Article 14 and 25 was violated in Mulk, and Article 21, 38 and 39 was violated in Bheer. Audience impact. Fandry opened a debate on caste discrimination in rural areas, whereas Mulk raised discussion on Islamophobia and identity. Sairat made people talk about intercaste marriages and honor killing, whereas Bheer reminded us of migrant workers' struggle in COVID-19. So with that, we can see cinema is not just entertainment, it's the mirror of society. They spark dialogues, awareness, and demand for justice. Truly, cinema can be a voice for social change. So with that, I come to end of my presentation. I would like to express my gratitude to my mentor, Professor Dr. Jyotsna Rai, who gave me this opportunity to understand about this stratification in depth. And also, I would like to thank my teammates, Tushar, Falak and Roshni, who were there with me throughout the preparation of this assignment. Thank you.